Good morning, guys. I just wanted to show you the booklet that you will be working on today. The first activity, you need to write stuff in here, but it is an image. So if you click on the image and you press edit, you use the text box to put words in there, and you can make as many words as you want. So that's just how to show you how to do that. You can use some of these words to help you, but I'd like you to come up with your own as well. These need to go into the different categories. You can decide. This you need to research online. What are some good outcomes of doing physical activity? So, for example, it provides opportunities to make friends. Please write at least 5 ideas. These need to be put into the different areas of a well-being, or also known as hauora. This link here is a video, and these questions link to the video. Down here you can highlight whether it's positive or negative. So highlight the word, go to the text, press highlight, and then press the color you want. These are the words that you need to put in the definitions. And last one, I want you to tell me how this situation impacts the person's well-being and what will it do to their participation level. So is it going to increase or decrease it? You can decide. If you finish up to page 8, which is the requirement, then you can carry on with the rest of the pages. Thank you, guys.